Okay, students, so now we'll be looking at how we can use the cosine rule to find one side of a triangle. Okay, so let's get into the formula that we're going to use to find the one side that will not be given. So our formula is a squared is going to equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. So we know in this bracket everything is being multiplied by each other. So please know that to use the given formula, this formula, we must be given two sides and one angle, right? Okay, so let's go into our examples so that you can further understand what I meant by you must be given two sides and one angle for us to actually use the formula. Okay, so we have example 1. We're given this triangle and we will have to find this side. So this is angle A. So the side opposite to angle A is going to be side A. This is B. This opposite here is going to be side B. And angle C is going to equal to C. Right, so since we have this, it is easier for us to look at our formula. And as stated, they have given us two sides and one angle. Most of the time, or all of the time likely, the angle is between the two sides that are given. Do you see that? It's between 20 centimeter and 17 centimeter, right? Okay, so let's go and actually use our formula. So our formula is a squared is going to equal to b squared plus c squared minus open 2bc cos a. Right, so looking at our triangle, we do not know what is a, so we write back our a squared. B, we know it's 17 squared, plus c, we know it's 20 squared, minus, we open our bracket, 2 times b, which is 17, times c, which is 20, and cos a, which is angle A, is going to be 48 degrees. And we close our brackets. A squared is going to equal to 17 squared is going to give us 289 plus 20 squared is 400 minus 2 times 17 times 20, and we're going to have 680, and we still have to multiply it by cos 48, right? Degrees. So a squared 289 plus 400 is going to give us 689 minus 68 times cos 40. We're going to get 455, right? So a squared is going to equal to 689 minus 455. We're going to get 234. So since we want to find what is side A, we will move the square. And we know the opposite of square is square root. So A is going to equal to the square root of 234. And A is going to equal to 15.3 centimeters. Right? So this is how we put our formula to find the side of missing angle. Let's work one more example. Okay, so example 2. Right? A opposite A, side A. Angle B opposite that is going to be side B, and angle C opposite that is going to be side C. So let us go into our formula. Our formula is a squared equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. Okay. A squared is going to equal to b 14 squared plus c 8 squared minus 2. B is times 14 times 8, and we have to multiply this by cos degree. Close bracket. So a square is going to equal to 14 square is 196 plus 8 square is 64 minus, when we multiply 2 by 14 by 8, we're going to get 224, and we have to multiply it by cos 68 degree. Right? So a squared is going to equal to 196 plus 64, and we're going to get 260 minus, when we multiply 224 by cos 68, what are we going to get? You're going to get 83.9. So a squared is going to equal to 260 minus 83.9, and we're going to get 176.1. Since we want to find a, we have to find the square root on the opposite side, which is going to be the square root of 176.1. And a is going to equal to 13.3 centimeter. Okay? So this is how we use our formula to find our missing angle. Okay, class. So is there any question based on the activities?